Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have m divided by square root of m is equals to 4, and we solve this problem for all the values of m. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. So in the first method we move the square root of m from left hand side to the right hand side, and it will becomes m is equals to 4 times of square root of m. And here uh, first, we need to remove the square root sign from right hand side, and for this we will apply squaring on both of the sides, and it will be written as m square is equals to 4 times of square root of m and its whole square. And further in the next step we have this is m square is equals to, here we apply the square separately on both of these two values, and it will becomes 4 square into square root of m and its whole square. And further in the next step we have m square is equals to, this is 4 square and 4 square becomes 16, and these two and square root are gone, and we obtain here m only. And now further in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as, here we move the term 16m from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will be written as m square minus 16 times of m, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And further you see here both of these two terms involve m, so that we will be take common m from here, and we get the remaining values are m minus 16, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And in the next step we will divide both of the sides by we divide this equation by in two cases. The first case is we write m is equals to 0, and the second case is we write m minus 16 is equals to 0. So m equals to 0 be the first root of the given equation, and here we move minus 16 to the right hand side, and it will becomes m is equals to plus 16. So this is the second root of the given equation. So here we get these are the two roots of the given equation which we get here in the first method. And now in the next step we need to verify that is these roots be the solution or is these roots be the extraneous root. So for verification of this value we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is m divided by square root of m is equals to 4, and in this side we will be verify m is equals to 0, and in this side we will be verify m is equals to 16. So here first we verify m is equals to 0, and for this we substitute m is equals to 0 into the left hand side, and we check its behavior. And when you put it here it will becomes 0 divided by square root of 0 becomes 0 is equals to 4. And you see here in the left hand side we will get 0 over 0 form, and it is usually called that it is the indeterminate form, or further we call that it is undefined. So if our left hand side is undefined, this means that both of the sides are not equal, and if both of the sides are not equal, this concludes about that m is equals to 0 be the extraneous root of the given equation. Okay, so this is the extraneous root because it does not satisfy our given question statement. And now in the same pattern we verify the second value of m, and we substitute this m is equals to 16 on both of the sides, and it will be written as 16 divided by square root of 16 is equals to 4. And here we know about that square root of 16 becomes 4 is equals to 4, and these are cancelled out by each other, and we get 4 times 4 becomes 16, and we easily get the and easily we show that 4 is equals to 4. So this means that the value of m is equals to 16 is satisfied our given question statement. So here this concludes that m is equals to 16 be the only one solution of the given equation which we get here in the first method. And now we again solve this problem for second method. So for second method we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is m divided by square root of m is equals to 4. So here our second method with a very straightforward method, and here we use the radical rule to find the values of m. So here we write this m as in the form of square root of m multiplied by square root of m, and it is divided by square root of m is equals to 4. And you see here this square root of m and this square root of m are gone, and here we will get square root of m is equals to 4. And here our target is to find the values of m, and for this we apply squaring on both of the sides, and when we apply squaring it will becomes here square root of m whole square is equals to 4 square, and this 2 and this square root are gone, and in the left hand side we get m is equals to this is 4 square, and 4 square becomes here 16. So in the second method, you see here we quickly get the value of m is equals to 16, but in the first method we already verified that this value of m is satisfied our given question statement. So we finally concludes about that the solution set of this problem is 16. So this is the only one solution of the given equation, and this is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.